Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are two fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF4048 filter into the housing. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.